Imagine giving your clients a powerful AI employee that responds to customer inquiries over SMS in 10 seconds or less, automatically nurturing leads and boosting sales. That's exactly what Vendasta's November product launch delivers. Let's dive in. Today, we're launching 5 incredible new updates. First, AI comes to SMS in Inbox Pro. It will respond rapidly to customer messages for your client, just like a receptionist that works 24/7. Second, pipeline management is now available in the Business App CRM to track opportunities and provide your agency with undeniable proof of performance. Also new to Business App is Smart Lists to simplify targeted marketing and sales. Additionally, in Vendasta's advertising platform Matchcraft, you can now optimize ad performance based on Google Ads conversion data to get more out of any budget. And finally, Vendasta's AI in Social Marketing Pro just got a whole lot smarter. With access to more knowledge about your clients' businesses, social posts are sure to be specific, unique, and on brand. Wow, that's a lot of AI. Let me give you a demo. I'll show you how you can become indispensable to your local business clients with an automatic AI-fueled sales solution that keeps customers and revenue rolling in. Say you have a home services client based in a large city. Customers are reaching out to them all the time for quotes through multiple avenues. Their customers automatically get a text message confirming their inquiry and asking them to text them back if they have any other questions. Here's where the magic happens. Anytime a customer texts this business back, they'll get an immediate response from the AI. No matter what customers text, the AI is always ready to capture and convert leads. It's like giving your clients an assistant who never sleeps, never leaves a potential customer waiting, and never misses a chance to close a deal. They're here and ready to get to work. Meanwhile, the opportunity pipeline in Business App tracks each sales progress. Based on the stage, we can trigger nurture campaigns to guide leads closer to a purchase. For example, if a lead hasn't booked a meeting, we move them to the nurturing stage, which launches an email and SMS campaign to encourage scheduling of their first appointment. And if a service is completed, we can mark the opportunity as closed won. This pipeline, filled with details on how each opportunity came to be and how it was successfully converted, is irrefutable proof of your agency's performance. With every action and response logged in the CRM, you can clearly show the impact of your efforts on your client's bottom line. But the story's not over when a deal is closed. That's just the start of a new relationship, one that you can help your client retain and grow with the AI-powered SMS and opportunity pipelines in Business App. Re-engaging existing customers for their next purchase is so easy with Smart Lists. Whether customers are due to have an installation inspected or a business is running a promotion on kitchen renovations, there are loads of opportunities to reconnect and boost sales. Target the right contacts with the right content with Smart Lists, which will update dynamically to include any contacts that meet the set criteria. In this example, we're targeting contacts that left an NPS score of 8 or higher on their last service, meaning they're most likely to return. If your clients avoid outreach campaigns for fear that they won't be able to manage the resulting responses, that's no longer a concern. Whether an outreach campaign yields 30 leads or 300, their AI is on it, responding to each one right away. Now, before local businesses can delight customers with a great experience, they have to attract them online. You've now got that covered with updates to Vendasta's Matchcraft advertising platform and Social Marketing Pro that will drive more leads to businesses' virtual doorstep. Demystify digital advertising for your clients with Matchcraft, which gets the most out of any budget through AI-assisted keyword selection and automatic bidding optimization across platforms like Google and Bing. You can now schedule the pausing and resumption of campaigns to make the most of high-volume periods like weekends and holidays without manual intervention. Ad spend, keywords, and scheduling are optimized automatically to ensure ads are shown in the right channels at the right times to produce the best results. Adjustments are based on phone calls, Google Analytics key events, site activity, and now Google Ads conversion data. This is a particularly powerful addition for agencies looking to sell ad services to local businesses that already use Google Ads. Bring existing campaigns into Matchcraft and start delivering value right away. An active social media presence is also a must for increasing awareness and engagement. Vendasta's AI in Social Marketing Pro is smarter than ever, with access to the AI knowledge base, the same knowledge base that is available with our AI chat. With a business's profile and website content for context, Vendasta's AI generates unique social campaigns ready to publish to multiple networks in just seconds. With a central knowledge base for AI to pull from for everything from customer conversations to social content, your clients can rest assured that messaging and tone will be consistent and on brand. That wraps up Vendasta's November product launch. With AI-powered SMS and Inbox Pro, your clients can provide fast, tailored responses to customer messages. The Business App CRM's new opportunity pipeline management seamlessly tracks leads and automates follow-ups. Smart Lists streamline the process of launching targeted campaigns. Matchcraft's new integration with Google Ads conversion data maximizes every dollar spent. And Vendasta's smarter AI in Social Marketing Pro delivers posts that are specific, memorable, and perfectly aligned with each client's brand. Today's updates can help you automate sales and drive revenue for businesses in any industry, from auto shops to wealth management firms. Build a reliable sales machine to keep clients' pipelines full and watch your agency's revenue grow. For full details, check this week's changelog and join our webinar. Links are in the description. And stay tuned for more AI-powered advancements coming next month.